Hello everyone, so if you want to create a second space on the Redmi Note 13, first you will open up your settings. Now scroll down to your additional settings tab. Here it is. In your additional settings, you are to find your second space tab. Open it up and here press turn on second space. Now it will take some time. It's not a problem for like 10 or 20 seconds, and after that, as you see, it's switching. After that, our Redmi Note 13 will have two spaces, like two separate profiles on one computer. Alright, now press continue. Here you are prompted to choose how to switch between spaces using a password or using a shortcut. I'll choose using a shortcut, press continue. Now you're to set a password for the second space if you want to, however, I'll skip this step. And basically that's it, we've got our second space activated. Know that some things like automatic brightness will be enabled by the default on the second space. To switch between spaces, you're to locate your switch icon right here and simply tap on it. So tap on it, give your phone a few seconds. If your first space has a password, you'll be prompted to enter it like I do. So simply scan your finger or enter your password, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.